All right. Well, now we're going to spend a little time working with the triangle inequality theorem. And what is the triangle inequality theorem? I'm glad you asked. Well, the triangle inequality theorem addresses the side lengths of a triangle, and it states that the sum of the length of any two sides must be greater than the remaining side or the third side for a triangle to actually exist. So you pick any two sides to determine that it's greater than the third side, remaining side. And if that is the case in every scenario of a triangle, then that triangle does exist. Now, if that's not the case, then you do not have a triangle. All three sides are not going to connect. And so therefore a triangle will not exist. So in this first example, which is on page 364, we're given a couple of scenarios here. And so let's see what we have. So we have side lengths of a figure, object, 15 yards, 16 yards, and 30 yards. So let's verify whether a triangle actually exists with these three side lengths. So I'm first going to go in here and say, okay, well, 15 plus 16, is that greater than 30? Taking this side and this side, greater than 30. Well, yeah, 15 and 16 is 31, so that's greater than 30, so that checks. And then I might go 15 plus 30. Is it greater than 16? Well, obviously 45 is greater than 16, so that checks. And then lastly, I can say 16 plus 30, is that greater than 15? And obviously 46 is greater than 15. And so yes, this is a triangle. All three check that any two sides are greater than the third side. Now, this next scenario, I got 2 feet, 8 feet, and 11 feet. And I can start saying, okay, well, 2 plus 8, is that greater than 11? Well, 2 plus 8 is 10. That's not greater than 11. And so no, this is not a triangle. A triangle with those side lengths cannot exist according to the triangle inequality theorem. Hey, now that's not too bad. Probably the key thing is get a system as to how you're checking the side lengths. If you notice what I did here, you don't have to do it this way. I did 1 plus, so let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Check 1 plus 2, is that greater than 3? And then I did 1 plus 3, is that greater than 2? And then I did 2 plus 3, is that greater than 1? I think if you get a system that you work on as to how you do it, it'll keep you from making a mistake, because sometimes you can get jumbled up dealing with these numbers. And it's always good to have a system in place that guides you towards the correct answer.